last Monday and declared its results for the first quarter. GCPL had a reasonably good first quarter with constant currency consolidated sales up 12% and profit before tax up 21%. We have major programs in the company to cut costs, especially in the domestic business and in Argentina and Nigeria. We see business and consumer confidence increasing considerably after the new central government has taken office and expect FMCG demand growth to pick up during the second half of this financial year. The poor start of the monsoon this year was a worrying factor, but the monsoon has picked up well in the last fortnight to make up a fair part of the shortfall. The earlier expected El Nino effect in August-September is now projected to be mild. I now request our Managing Director, Vivek Gambhir, to continue.
We continue to outperform in our core categories. We have gained market share on the back of strong innovations and intensified efforts in distribution. This was a reasonably decent quarter considering the extremely challenging economic environment. We remain optimistic that as the economy improves, we should see improved consumer demand over the second half of the year. At a consolidated level, for this quarter, we had a sales growth of about 12% on a constant currency basis. Our profit before taxes grew at a healthy rate of 21%. Our international business, which comprised of about 48% of our total business, registered a very strong growth of 17%. In India, we continue to witness a protracted slowdown in the household and personal care sector. Growth in the sector dropped to an all-time low of about 3%. In contrast, our India business grew at more than 2 times the growth in the sector, which reflects the underlying strength of our business. We are focusing on 5 main areas to ensure that we continue to outperform the market. First is to revitalize the growth in our core categories and to stimulate consumer demand. In fact, strengthening brand equity and ensuring that our consumers have more reasons to buy our products remains our number 1 priority. Our second priority is to ensure the rhythm in our innovations. Close to 40% of our incremental growth comes from our new launches. We will intensify focus in this area. Our third priority is to make our sales and distribution system future ready. We have launched several initiatives to expand and deepen both rural and urban distribution.
Thanks for joining us in Bloomberg TV India. I'm Sunanda Jayaseelan and you're in business. It's earnings rush on the Lal Street today and the FMCG pack largely been a stable set of numbers. Biggies like IDC, HUL, Dabur, Godrej Consumers clocking robust numbers is what the quarter so far has been like. To discuss what trends we're picking up and what the road ahead is looking